Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BJTechNews, and today I'm actually upgrading some memory for one of my Mac users at my job. And the reason why is because I upgraded them to Lion. And if you're upgrading to a new operating system, it's best that you upgrade your RAM so you get that extra horsepower. So I got my memory from Crucial Memories. Actually, I got two 4 gig sticks, a total of 8 gigs. And I'm actually, it fell down. Got it back. Hopefully it doesn't break. Got my little toolkit with all my equipment. Always need that stuff. Make sure you open this bad boy up. I'm gonna open it up. Got it out. And see if I could get the memory out. There goes one. And there's go two. Only reason that I'm doing this is, once I take the old and put the new, I'm good to go. Pop in and pop out. So first thing you want to do, you want to unplug that power cord. Unplug whatever USB the user has. It has a bunch of USB plugs. And your Ethernet cable. Make sure all that stuff stays put. Now, oh my god, this is a huge guy. Now, gently lay down on the table, because remember, the screen, the glass, or whatever you want to call it, is really sensitive. You want to pull the handle back, and at the bottom you're going to see a nice little display, not a display, like a panel, and it has like a Phillips screw. So I'm going to use this little guy, hopefully it fits in, and I'm basically going to screw it out. And let's see if I can get this guy out. Hopefully we can get this guy out. There you go. Alright. Let's see. Should come out automatically. Still stuck there. Bad boy's in there. Let's see if I get a flat. Pull it out. There it goes. Got it out finally. And again, there's two of them automatically. These iMacs only come with 2 DIMMs slots, and it comes with a nice little tab that you could just pull the memory out. Got one out, and I'm gonna pull the other one out. Yeah, so automatically by default, this guy normally comes with 2 gigs. So my user had 4 gigs in total, so we're bumping him up with 4 more gigs. So we're gonna take this bad boy. I normally like to blow. I don't have an air can with me, so the air can just basically allows you to take all that dust from the slot. Just make sure you put that tab back the way you found it. Okay, and also make sure that you're holding the memory stick the correct way. It doesn't go this way, it goes this way, label up. Okay, and let's slide this bad boy up, and make sure it's inserted all the way in. Sometimes you won't hear the click, but you do feel it when it's inserted correctly. I'm just putting the tab back, and I'm going to put back the frame, and that's it. That's about it, guys. This is how you add memory or upgrade your memory on an iMac. Now this iMac, forgot to put it back into a Phillips screw, not a flat. Now this iMac is, I believe the model is a 2009 or 2010 iMac. Originally it came with, I don't even know what it originally came with, but the user was using Leopard. About a couple of months ago, last year actually, I upgraded him to Snow Leopard, and then he needed another boost. So I'm gonna bring this bad boy back up. There we go. Heavy. Surprised that I could do that. Plug all the cables back in. I got his Ethernet cable, his keyboard, his USB stuff that he had, and crap, that hurt. And make sure you put the power, because if you don't have power, it won't turn on. And there we go. So I'm gonna press the power button, and if everything goes well, which I'm hoping everything goes well, get the nice little chirp. Okay. There we go. Got scared. I got scared a little bit because I just pressed the power button. It wasn't pressing. You just heard the chirp, so I heard the chirp. Only thing that I'm surprised on the Mac side, like on the PC side, when you change memory, the BIOS automatically indicates that something has been changed. On the Mac side, it doesn't really tell you that. It just automatically boots to it. So you got to actually go into, I think it's called System Profile Systems, and check if the memory is being read. But sometimes if the memory is not being read, you will get an error stating that something's going on, and it won't boot to the operating system. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. So I'm actually going to wait until it finally boots up, which is almost there. Okay. And I'm going to log in as an administrator, go into the system profile, and check if the two memories are being read inside the DIMM, or the SO DIMMs, because I think that's what the Macs normally use. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on how to upgrade your memory on an iMac, which is pretty exciting. And if you have any questions or concerns, hey, again, leave it right below at the comment section. And don't forget about slapping that like button, because just to show me you guys enjoy the video. Peace out.